Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got a A180 luxury line in and I'm going to show you how to remove this ugly oversized OEM plinth and replace it for our miniature version to mount smaller number plates on to have a clean mounting finish. Alright, so what we're going to do is remove this number plate OEM plinth, replace it with our miniature plinth, and from there you can mount any one of our number plate brackets to it to mount a number plate to it. All you need to do is get the right number plate bracket that matches the number plate style that you have. Alright, so the first step is going to be to remove the number plate. It should just be a couple of screws. Then you're going to have to grab a Torx bit and remove the Torx screws holding the plinth on. From here, just give it a bit of a pull on the bottom and on the top, and everything should just come off. So now that we've got the plinth off, you can go ahead and mount our plinth. We've made this square locator that aligns with this square hole in the bumper. So that aligns the center. From there, use a fine liner or gold Sharpie or similar to mark out the holes. Pilot drill the 2 holes and then put in 2 screws. So supplied in the kit will give you these plug-up screws. We've designed them to look a little bit like parking sensors, and they will just go into this hole, tighten them up, and they'll stay put. So all that's left to do is to get a matching number plate bracket to mount to the miniature plinth, align it to the height that you want, and then mount your number plate on. So in this case, we're doing slimline number plates, so you'd choose a slimline number plate bracket. If you had a standard number plate, you'd choose a standard number plate bracket. And if you had Euro number plates, then you'd choose a Euro number plate bracket. There you have it guys, cleanest way to mount your number plates on a A180 luxury line. We've gone from this to this. Now just remember guys, the miniature plinth isn't sold by itself. You need to check out with a matching number plate bracket that suits your number plate size and style. Thanks for watching.